Are you getting annoyed by the Sppc Library DLL causing your system integrity to fail? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's resync your file architecture right now. Before we start the detailed troubleshooting for Sppc Library, you can try the official utility to assist with system-level review. This is the Sppc Library. The Software Protection Platform Client, Sppc Library, is responsible for the Windows licensing and activation subsystem. It manages the verification of digital product keys and communication with Microsoft's activation servers. If corrupted, the system will lose its activation status, frequently triggering Windows is not genuine watermarks and preventing access to personalization settings. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. This is an OS-level file error that requires a system integrity scan. Open command prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scannow to allow Windows to verify its core files and automatically restore Sppc Library DLL. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Sppc Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health. Then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Replacing Sppc Library without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. Resolve library inconsistencies and review system architecture using the reference below for information related to your Sppc library environment. If this fix repaired Sppc library dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.